What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome to the Juan and Jaden channel. I'm back with another unboxing. I don't exactly know which one this is. So I ordered several size 12 shoes. Of course, you already know I don't wear size 12. These are just simply for resale. So at the same time I'm recording this video, we'll all be finding out which shoe this is here. All right, see the Just Do It. This is straight from Nike. So let's get started here. Let's open this up. Okay, these are a pair of Jordans. All right, let's see which ones are they. All right, let's see here. Air Jordan 4 Retro. Okay, let's see here. Let's open these up. It's got the old school symbol. Got the Jumpman symbol with the flight. I remember those when I was a kid. It's one of the original symbols of Jordan shoes. Let's see here what we got. Ooh, look at these. Yeah. All right. Got the Jordan 4 Bred. And this is the OG. These are the retro. These are the OGs though. Oh yeah, these are nice. You know, I remember these when they came out when I was a kid, and I wasn't a big, whoa, what is this? So this is something that I don't get what Nike is of late. You can order a shoe from Nike, straight from the factory, and it has imperfections in it. Like, this one there, but this is what's crazy. What is that? What is that? That's an imperfection. I don't get that. What is that? I mean, that's paint. That's crazy. Let's check the other one out. See how the other one looks. Let's see here. What's this? What is this? Does this have anything crazy on it? Let's see. Ew, yeah, right there. Look at that. That's crazy. Wow. I mean, that's bad. Look at that. That's horrible. Come on, Nike. Y'all gotta do better. I mean, wow. See, there's some more right there. Wow. All right. But anyway, let's get back to this unboxing here. Oh, it's got the original Nike Air on the back. Okay, I like that. You got the tab here. So I remember these, but like I was saying earlier before, some of those imperfections caught my eye and distracted me. I remember these when they first came out when I was a kid. I was not a huge fan of them. And you know, there's another imperfection. What is going on? Yeah, but anyway, like I said, I wasn't a fan, and these look nice now. But would I rock them? No, they're just not my style. But they look nice now. But I wouldn't wear them. See here, you have your nubuck suede. I'm pretty sure this is synthetic, as most of the shoes are now. Synthetic. It's man-made. It feels soft here. Of course, this is that rubbery plastic here. Same with this. This is a rubber mesh here, a little rubber caging there. Of course, you have your shoestrings. You got your little laces here. Let's see. See down here, you have your Nike Air. And there, of course, you got all your stuff here. If I remember correctly, these shoestrings are really long. If I remember correctly. Then there's still a lot of shoestring left in here. Yeah, these are pretty nice though. They look pretty decent. I just wouldn't wear them. So you have more of the just rubber plastic caging here on the tongue. Of course, right here on the tongue, you have the Jumpman with the flight here on the back, which I always liked. The big old Nike Air. This is rubber. This is all rubber right here. See the detail here. Very good detail. Good stitching. Very good. You know, the way this comes together back here kind of reminds me of the foam posits. So they come together in the back like that with the seam. All in all, it's pretty decent. It's lighter than what I thought it would be, especially, you know, most of these old school shoes aren't that light. They actually tend to be quite heavy. But anyway, here you go. This is the unboxing here. I'm not going to try them on or do any review on foot review or anything like that because, like I said, these are a size 12. I can't fit these. I do not wear a size 12, but here you go. You get the Air Jordan upside down here. That's the way it will be. That's the way the original one was. So here you have it, guys. I don't know how many of these shoes are left. As of yesterday, they were not sold out yet, but the resale market, you can actually make a few dollars. They're actually well above retail, which is interesting here. But here you go. All right, be sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All right, people. Deuces.